guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn this t-shirt into a two-piece set. Materials you will need are chalk, scissors, and a measuring tape. Okay, so for the basis of your outfit, you will need either a pattern piece or a dress that already fits you. So I started off with the skirt. You want to get the bottom half shaped out first and then base off your top as a crop top and cut it out. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my... Here you can see I have a skirt and a crop top cut out. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away, my love. So don't give away, my love. So don't give away. Now here we're going to keep the sleeve and just make it a little bit shorter based off the top that we already cut out. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world. Now we're cutting out the second sleeve for the other arm. Like you, this ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. Next, you want to cut out your waistband. So you want to measure your skirt. My measurements were 7. You're going to take that and double it. It's 14. That's half. You want to cut that out. Mark it at 14 by 2.5 and go straight across at 2.5. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Make sure you cut this out twice. For a clean finish, serge all side seams together. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. Here I'm sewing down the arm sleeves. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Okay, so to attach the sleeve, you want the shirt to be inside out and the sleeve to be right side out. And you want to match the seams together and stick it inside the shirt and pin it around. You want to do the same thing for the waistband. Put the waistband inside the skirt inside out, waistband right side out. Just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.